Hello guys, Fru here. Welcome to today's video. So guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at this really interesting article: 620 free online programming and computer science courses you can choose to kick off your 2020. So we're making this video at kind of the beginning of the year for 2020, and it was really fascinating when I came across this article, and it's definitely worth doing a review and doing a share on the channel. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. The link to this particular article will be in the description below, so if you want to check out the article yourself, guys, just go into the description. One of the very first links in the description will be the link to this article. That said, this is a very interesting, a very fascinating article that I came across because it has so much resources. I almost asked myself, who goes through the pain to bring all the resources like this together for free? It was really amazing. It blew my mind away. So we're gonna dive in, just take a quick look at it. Guys, you have the link to this article. You can definitely take advantage of it. But if you're going into the new year, which is 2020, or you're going into the new decade, whenever you're watching this video, some of the challenge that people always have is, well, I want to learn programming, I want to learn computer science, but I don't know where to start, or I don't have the resources, or it's too expensive because I have to go to an expensive school. All right, so you can have all these excuses, right? We have all these excuses, but then when an article like this comes in front of you or in front of somebody, then those excuses quickly go out the door. Those excuses quickly go out the door, because if you're not learning programming because of lack of resources, this debunks that. All right, this just quickly debunks that. So guys, there are so many resources in here that the only challenge, the only thing that would hold you back is you making the commitment to take advantage of these resources and to actually go out and learn programming if that's what you want to learn, or understand technology concepts if that's what you want to understand. So very powerful, and a lot of these are free. I took some time to kind of browse through. A lot of these are free, guys. So if you've set your goal to learn programming, to learn computer science, or to acquire any new skill, guys, take advantage of it. There is so much free information on platforms like this, or articles like this, on YouTube, on Google search. Guys, take advantage of it. All right, the only thing stopping you right now is your excuses. It has nothing to do with resources. That said, let's just go down in here. I think this author broke down this article into three main areas. So you might have resources if you're just a beginner, which kind of makes sense. If you're just starting out, you want to learn programming, the kind of things that you want to learn will be different from somebody who's maybe intermediate or somebody who's advanced. So there is a beginner, intermediate, and advanced areas. And then for the beginners, I think he provides over 175 articles, courses, resources that you can take. Everything from, let's see, the very first one here, Introduction to Interactive Programming with Python, and this is coming from Rice University. So if you wanted to learn Python, guys, you can take advantage of that from Rice University to learn Python. And then there's elements of AI, learn to program fundamentals. So there's just lots of resources available in here, especially for beginners. There's this one here, Programming Basics, from Indian Institute of Technology from Bombay. If you go all the way down to relational databases, intro to relational databases, Linux command lines. So guys, it's just an amazing resource here. Let's just scroll down from the beginners to see the next one that we have is the intermediate. Now let's say you get the beginner skills down. Now intermediate ones, you might be doing databases with Python for University of Michigan. So, and these are kind of ranked, so you can see he included the star ranking here. So I believe that's kind of the review of the course for the ones that have it available. All right, so there's a lot of reviews in here: object-oriented design of computer programs. All right, so you can really pick and choose which one makes the most sense for you. Algorithms on strings, intro to algorithms, that's a very important one. Binary search, and all of those kind of things should be covered there, I would imagine. Client-side communication. All right, guys, I don't want to go through every single list. I'm sure depending on what your priorities or your interests are, you can find a lot of this valuable. All right, I don't think one individual can take all these courses, but you're gonna have to find the one that makes sense for you and take advantage of that. And then now here there's the advanced, which is about 127 courses that talks more around AI. I can see linear regression here, machine learning regression, probabilistic graphic models, cloud computing. So very interesting. All right, so there's some lots of AI concepts, TensorFlow, computational photography. Did I see quantum something here? Quantum machine learning, interesting. That one's an interesting one from University of Toronto. That's something like that might interest me, to be honest. All right, and then MATLAB, and just a whole list of resources, guys, just a whole list of resources. So I just thought I'll make this video today just to share this link. I hope you find this valuable. I thought it was a very powerful list compiled by Jawal Shah, founder of Class Central. Well, he's the founder of Class Central. So really interesting, guys. Take advantage of this. The link is going to be in the description below. Share this with somebody that might get value out of it. You just do not know who might be sitting there just waiting for an article like this with all these links and resources to spark one idea, that sparks another idea, that sparks another idea, and then lets them into taking a course and maybe changing their lives or changing their career. All right, through here, I hope this was helpful. Again, guys, please consider subscribing. Share this with somebody that might get value out of it, and I'll see you in our next video.